It's a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. If you desire a midsize pickup with impressive performance and remarkable efficiency, this is the truck for you. Inside this quiet cabin, you'll enjoy the benefits of a color media display, USB port and auxiliary jack, and OnStar with 4G LTE and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Safety ride shotgun on every trip with the included StabiliTrak, tire pressure monitoring system, and rear vision camera with dynamic guidelines.
Adaptive Cruise Control reads traffic in front of you to keep proper distance. Chevrolet's MyLink system allows you to control your music, hands-free calling, and so much more with just the sound of your voice.
With a smooth ride and a nose for what's next, this Colorado is the truck for you.
At Herb Connolly Chevrolet, the customer always comes first. Stop in today. We're conveniently located at 350 Worcester Road in Framingham, Massachusetts.